In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create photo manipulation in Photoshop. Open second image and place it perfectly. Mask this layer. Pick brush, and follow this process. Okay, that's good. Back to opacity 100%. Duplicate this layer by hold Ctrl and press J. Delete mask. Again create mask. Go to image. Adjustment, invert. Change the blending mode is multiply. Pick brush, and follow this process. Create a color lookup adjustment layer, and select Crisp Winter Look. Lower the opacity to 80%. Now merge layer by Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E or Command plus Shift plus Option plus E for Mac. Now go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Follow this settings. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.